Avocados. Did you know you could grill them? I only found this out a few days ago, so I'm gonna test it out to see if it actually tastes good. Let's try it out together. So, let's cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, take some lemon, squeeze some lemon juice on your avocados, put some avocado oil on it, on the grill. There you have it, a grilled avocado. Salt, some pepper. You could put anything inside this avocado, but for the sake of this taste test, I'm gonna eat it just the way it is to find out if I actually like it. Let's give it a go. Surprisingly, it tasted really good. Let me know in the comments below if you ever grilled an avocado, or do you think it's blasphemy? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.